What came in the mail today? Do you really want to know? Do you want to know? Luvme Hair came. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm basically going to unbox with you guys. So everything you see, oh, look at this. Look at this. It's just so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Like, all right. So Luvme Hair, just a little background. I saw this on Facebook ad. I'm like, how do these people know what I'm into? How do they know I like wigs? Whatever. They follow you. They give you ads. I took a risk with this one because my last Facebook order, all we have to say is it was not the wig that was in the picture. So I'm really excited to see what's in this box, but the fact that it's not in a plastic bag and it's like in this beautiful purple box, I'm so excited. And it came on time. Like, it came in like 5 days. I'm really shocked. Oh my goodness, y'all. Whew. There's some stuff in this box, this pretty little box. So this looks like the hair and some goodies in here. Oh, it's like Christmas right now. I got a wig cap. I got another wig cap. No, I don't know why I'm excited over a wig cap. I'm just happy that it's extra stuff. Oh, wow. This is cool. It looks like I have a curling iron. And it looks like a little pamphlet to tell you about Luvme Hair. Oh, it's a little bag. It's a little bag. What's in the bag? Oh, you know what? I'm gonna like this hair. You want to know why? Because first of all, if this hair wasn't good, they would not have all this stuff in here. A comb, extra strap for your wig. They got clips, y'all. Wow, we're gonna use that today because we're gonna put this wig on and figure this out. Luvme Hair, hair wax stick. Make your hair look flawless. Okay, apply. I guess this is just like some edge control or something. I don't know. I'm sorry, Luvme, if that's not what it is, but it basically says apply directly to the flying hair. So I guess just to kind of slick it down a little bit, a wax stick, some more clips, and tweezers, y'all. Wow, this is nice. All right, so what we all been waiting for, drum roll please. I'm so excited. Y'all, you know what? I don't know if you guys follow me. I'm pretty new to this wig game, but this is my first human hair wig, y'all. So Luvme is taking my human wig hair virginity. I don't know what the word is, but wow. Look at this. This feels amazing. This feels so good. It feels so good. It feels so good. Woo. All right, y'all. Y'all want to see this? All right. So just so you see or you know what it's looking like, what I'm looking at, I'm pretty much ordered the one that it's not all lace. It's just the lace in the front, which is fine because like I said, I'm brand new to this. So here, so there's lace like that, and then it has a cap and some combs. One comb here, comb in the middle, comb on the sides, and it looks like some straps, some adjustable straps as well, and a strap to hold it on. So I'm pretty excited to see what this does. So let's do this. now. So I want to cut some baby hairs. This comb is awesome. It's like a razor cutting comb thing. So. I'm just gonna wet it. Ooh, this mist bottle is so good. Ooh, look at that. Just combs so easily. Just gonna wet this side. You see the difference? And this lace also, you can like part it wherever you want. I'm gonna like put a part like right there. We're just gonna wet my friend. Wet her up. This spray bottle is so good for stuff like this. But look at that. Look at that. It is so beautiful. Pretty. Oh, I love her. She's my new best friend. Put a little bit. He just popped up. It was like, hey, you want to try this hair? And I think this is like the best thing I could have done. This hair is so pretty. It's so soft. It's like so lovely. You can put her up. Look at that. Look, really cute. Guys, you need this hair. Seriously. Bye.